Hello dear children. Today we are going to do future tense. Future tense tells us about actions that are expected to take place in the future. It always indicates a time later than the present. There are three types of future tense: simple future tense, future continuous tense, and future perfect tense. Now let us see what is simple future tense. The simple future tense tells us about actions that will take place in the time to come. The rule for simple future tense is subject plus will or shall plus verb 1 plus predicate. We use shall with the subjects I and we. Let us see the examples of simple future tense. Riya will buy a book from the market. In this sentence, Riya is the subject, will is the helping verb, buy is the main verb, a book from the market is the predicate. I shall help my mother in the kitchen. Here, I is the subject. That's why we have used the helping verb shall with it. And my mother in the kitchen is the predicate. Next is future continuous tense. The future continuous tense tells us about actions that will be in progress at a given point of time in the future. The rule for future continuous tense is subject plus will be or shall be plus verb 1 plus ing plus predicate. For example, we shall be going to Delhi tomorrow. My mother will be baking a cake in the evening. Again, we need to remember that shall is used with I and we. Next is future perfect tense. Future perfect tense tells us about the actions that will be complete at some point in the future. The rule for future perfect tense is subject plus will have or shall have plus verb 3 plus predicate. For example, Mom will have cooked our favorite meal by the evening. The patient will have recovered from illness by the next month. Now, after understanding future tense, let us solve an exercise. Let us do as directed. First, meditation dash at 8 o'clock. We need to fill in the blank with simple future tense of the verb start. So, here what will come? Meditation will start at 8 o'clock. Second, Sheena dash a song in the party. Here we need to fill in the blank with future continuous tense of the verb sing. So what will come in the blank? Sheena will be singing a song in the party. Third, he dash admission in college by now. So here we need to fill in the blank with future perfect tense of the verb take. So what will be the answer? He will have taken admission in college by now. Hope you will be able to do rest of the exercise. Let us involve ourselves in a fun activity. Plan your winter break in 5 sentences and discuss with your parents like, I shall go to visit my aunt in Mumbai. So children, I hope you will enjoy doing this fun activity. Thank you.